Hi everyone, I'm Dilip and it's really nice to have you here. In this video, I'm excited to introduce myself and give you a sneak peek into what this channel is all about. About me, my name is Dilip Bandar and I'm currently working as a developer focusing on artificial intelligence, software development and cloud computing. About channel. Through this channel, I'll share my experiences, insights, and projects to help you stay updated with the latest in tech. We will primarily focus on AI, software development, and cloud computing, but we will also dive into other exciting topics when needed. Expect hands on tutorials, interesting projects, and discussions on trending topics in tech. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some experience, there is something here for everyone. Thanks so much for checking out my channel. I'm excited to share what I'm learning about tech with you all. If you are interested in getting hands on, exploring new technologies, and working on cool projects, you are definitely in the right place. Let's get started and build something amazing together. Stay tuned for more, and I can't wait to share this journey with you. See you in the next video. Until then, keep your intelligence sharp.